Welcome to a new episode of the Change Revolution channel. This is Julianne Christoph here outside enjoying the nice warm weather. One of the perks of being on your own, having your own business, is to be able to do what you want. So here I am outside working. And today we will talk about how to make the unknown known when you're moving through transformation. Because this is the one thing that is so scary when you're changing, when you're letting go of old habits and old ways of being. It could be a relationship, a job, even a belief that you've been operating on for so long. You don't know what's possible. And sometimes you can't even see or imagine that you can have that life that you say you want, but it's like, this is not for me. So how do we move through that phase where you don't know what's coming? You don't know how it's going to be built. You don't know what's your next step. It's just really scary. You can't see anything. It's the unknown. How do you move through that? How do you make the unknown known so you're not scared anymore? You're not just frozen there and not wanting to make a move, or even worse, going back to your old self, an old relationship, your old work environment. What do you do? How do you harness that power of the unknown? I'm going to share that one key with you in a moment. But before, I want to tell you that at the end of this video, I will offer you to book a free clarity call that will help you get clear on your next step. So if you're ready, open, and committed to the process of transformation, this is your chance to book your clarity call. So how do you make this unknown known? There's one thing that is key that you have to understand, is that your mind, we have this beautiful mind, and the mind doesn't know the difference between what is happening in the tangible world versus what's happening in your imaginary world. So if you can get to a place where you can imagine, picture yourself experiencing the result that you want to create, whether it's a new career, whether it's a new relationship, a new money situation, just your general lifestyle. If you can visualize, meaning see and feel yourself already there as if it has already happened, and doing this over and over every single day, it will happen. You cannot do anything else than attract exactly what you're working on creating, because your mind thinks it's already there. So you will start thinking and feeling as if this has already happened. So if you had limiting beliefs, if you had old habits, let's say you want to lose 20 pounds, and you visualize yourself already lean, feeling confident, good in your body, loose in your clothes, and you visualize yourself there and you feel yourself, you're proud of how you feel and look, you feel sexy, you will surprise yourself with not wanting the same kind of food, or wanting to move more, or eating smaller portions, craving very, very different foods, because your mind has to be aligned with what you are experiencing. And you will attract the people, the circumstances to make this a reality. It's all a question of energy. What you embody and emanate, you will attract. So the key is really to visualize. So first, in tricking your mind, thinking that it's already there, the first step is to get very clear on what you want to create. You have to have clarity about the results that you want to have. And that clarity is not just out in the tangible world. It's also, that's the second step, how do you want to feel when you get there? Do you want to feel proud? Do you want to feel sexy? Do you want to feel energized? Do you want to feel joy and happiness? How do you want to feel? Write it down. And the third step that brings it all together is to every single day visualize it. At night, it's perfect because you're programming your subconscious mind and you're starting to embody and keep that energy throughout your sleep. If you want to do it in the morning again, even more powerful, because you're setting your day with, you're setting up your day with that energy that you want to embody to create what you want to create. So tricking your mind into believing that it has already happened is through that visualization and belief that it is there, that you can receive this, you can make it yours. This can be you. That belief through feeling and visualizing will trick your mind and will attract it much faster. So this is a very powerful tool to make the unknown known, to help you move forward. Because if you're scared of changing jobs, let's say you want to change jobs and you don't know what's ahead, but you know that you see yourself working from home, managing your own schedule, working from outside or somewhere else in the world, and you see yourself there and you see how free you feel, how excited you are, how motivated you are to get up in the morning because you're passionate about what you do, and you visualize yourself there experiencing it. You will gain the confidence. You're making that space of the unknown of, oh my God, how am I going to do this? You're going to start having ideas to create your own business. You're going to start speaking with certain people. You're going to talk about what you want, and you'll attract the right people in your life, the right course, the right opportunity. Because you are changing your energy and directing it, focusing it in building what you want to build. So that unknown becomes known. Your mind knows it because you're visualizing it every single day. So whatever area of your life, whether it's to lose weight, to create a business, to attract the relationship, to have the money that you want, it's all the same process. It's a question of tricking your mind, making it believe that it's already there and that you are worthy of it, that you can experience that. So go ahead. You can ask any questions in the comments. You can just comment and I will come and reply and answer your questions. If there is anything, this is where the offer comes in. If you're ready to bring your life to that next level and you're not too sure, you're not too clear, or you know that you need support, book your clarity call. The link is in the description. Book your free clarity call. I will help you see what the next step is, and we'll see if we are a match to work together, because I don't work with everyone. I really pick and choose those that I work with, that we both feel that there's a resonance in working together. So just book your call. It's free, and I really hope I'll see you on the other side. Bye for now.